Morning, my dear students. I am your science teacher, Esteban. Welcome to you all back in the next session of science online classes. Students, in last classes we have seen chapter number 3, question number till question number 2. Now we will see match the columns. So before proceeding, everyone are requested get ready with your textbook, pencils and pen also. Now students, see the question number 3. Match the two columns. You know what is match the two columns? It means you have to complete the sentences. You have to connect one column to second column with the right answer, with the appropriate answer. See, first of all, in column A, winnowing. Do you know what is winnowing? Anybody can say what is winnowing? See, in the column B, see where it is the appropriate answer in column B. In column B, separation of pulses and stones. It is winnowing. No. Separation of grains and stalks. No. Conversion of water vapor into its liquid form. Is it possible? By the process of winnowing. Separation of husk and grains. Students, separation of husk and grains is called winnowing. Very good. So students, in question number 2, filtration. Students, I hope as we heard the words filtration, suddenly it stuck our mind. It means filter, using the filter paper. What you will filter? Insoluble solid to liquid. See, where is that one? Pulsed and stones? No. Separation of grains and stalks? No. Conversion of water vapor into liquid form? No. It is already matched with the number 1. Separation of mud and water from muddy water. See, separation of mud and water. Insoluble solid I told you from liquid. It can be this separation of mud and water from muddy water through the process of filtration. Is it clear? See. Students, we will see the question number 3, sieving. Do you know students, sieving? What is sieving? It is the separation of solid to solid. It is used for solid to solid. See, which is to solid one. By the process of sieving, how it can be complete? See the question number 3. Separation of pulses and stones? No. Separation of grains and stalks? No. Number 4, number 5 already matched. Come to the number 6. Separation of stones and sand. Students might have, you all have remember that separation of stones and sand by the process of sieving. So this column will match with this one. See the next question, threshing. Threshing. Do you know what is threshing? Anybody can say? Separation of pulses and stones. Is it threshing by the process of threshing? No. Grains and stalks. Grains and stalks. It is possible? Sorry students. See the question number 4. Question number 4, evaporation is there. By the mistake we are discussing on number 5. So come on the question number 4 first. It is evaporation. Evaporation, it means it convert from liquid to vapor, water vapor. So extracting salt from seawater. By the process of evaporation, we get salt from seawater. Do you have remember? Yes. By the process of evaporation, we filter the salt. We obtain the salt from seawater. Now see the question number 5. Threshing. Threshing. Last 4 options of that is already matched with the 4 questions. But we will discuss about the threshing. Threshing, it is possible pulses and stones? No. Grains and stalks? Yes. Number 5 will match with 2. Are you getting my point, students? See question number 6. Condensation. Condensation, it means that water vapor convert into liquid. That is called condensation. Conversion of water vapor into its liquid. So number 6 will match with number 3rd. And see, all columns matched with others one. What will left? Hand picking. So hand picking will match with separation of pulses and stones. I hope students you have understood very well. See the question number 4. This students, we will focus on question number 4, multiple choice questions. Choose the correct answer for each of the following. That in the questions there are 4 alternative options are there. In which of them it may be only one options may be right or maybe 2 options are right. Okay. So we will continuous as per the question or its option. See question number 1. Impurities present in water can be separated by. Students, tell me what the impurities present in water that can be separated by sieving, no, filtration, yes. What is filtration? Was condensation and denouement is not possible. See, in question number 2, the method used for removing pulp from fresh fruit juice is. Students, question is that the method for which is used to remove pulp from fresh fruit juice, that is sedimentation, no, decantation, no, filtration, yes. Filtration is used for removing pulp from fresh fruit juice. Students, we will see the next questions. A mixture of sand and water. A mixture of sand and water. Now this question is separating for solid to liquid. A mixture of sand and water can be separated by using, see, hand picking possible, sieving, threshing, or sedimentation. Sedimentation. Through the process of sedimentation, we can separate all sands from water. See question number 4. Iron is separated from a mixture of sulfur and iron. Friends, see sulfur and iron. It was discussed while the topic was explaining. That time, such types of example were given. In sulfur, how iron can be separated? By the process of winnowing, no, hand picking, no, sieving, no, magnets, yes. What will happen? That magnet will attract all ions which is mixed with the sulfur. See in the question number 5. In summer the pond dries up by the process of. In summer season, it was already during the topic declaration, it was explained by the process of which process pond dries up in summer season. Evaporation. It is okay. Students, I hope you have understood these all questions answer. What the subjective questions is there that you will have to do by yourself on the basis of clarification of concept. It's okay, students. I hope. And do in your notebook neat and clean handwriting. We will see very soon in the next video with the next chapter.